Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake some sponge fingers. I've also preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In the bowl I have 1 egg and some custard sugar. I'm going to whisk this together until it's creamy, light and fluffy. You can see the color has changed. It's a lot lighter than it was when I first started. I'm just going to carry on whisking until it's creamier. It's creamy and light in color like this. So now I'm going to add in my flour into the mixture. I'll add half of it first. And then fold it in. Don't overmix it, just be gentle with your folding in. When this flour is mixed in, you then add in the rest of the flour. And fold it in again gently. You can see all the flour is mixed in. I'm going to put this in a piping bag and then pipe it onto my baking tray. I've got a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle, but you can use a circle nozzle if you like. I just use this spoon to spoon the mixture into the piping bag. Okay. So I've got my filling in this piping bag. You just push it until you can see the filling in there. So I'm going to pipe this onto my prepared baking sheet. Just going to do that. About this size. Just leave a bit of space between them for them to rise. And I've got mixture for one more. I'm just going to pipe it just along here with the rest of the mix. Bake these in the oven until nice and golden brown on top. The little cakes are ready. I'm just going to leave them to cool for a little bit and then I'm going to dip them in chocolate. Right, the biscuits have cooled down. I'm going to put them in some melted chocolate and put some sprinkles on them. Just get one. I'm just dipping one end in the chocolate. You can use a spoon to help you along. I got this strip of baking paper. I'm just going to put them on there. And then leave them to set. They taste amazing. They're crunchy on the outside and slightly soft in the middle. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.